Nabi bintu Quraimi. Saya nikahkan Milia Umma binti Sulaiman untukmu yang telah diwakilkan oleh ayah kandungnya pada saya dengan mahar 12 ayak emas tunai.
Saya terima nikahnya Milia Umma binti Sulaiman untuk saya dengan mahar 12 ayak emas dibayar tunai.
Sah.
Did you lose what won't return? Did you love but never learn? The fire is out but still it burns, and no one cares, there's no one there. Did you find it hard to breathe? Did you cry so much that you could barely see? In the darkness all alone, and no one cares, there's no one there. What did you see? The flares in the sky?